Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Likita from CSE branch. I am pursuing my education in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering and my topic is Environmental Effects of Landfilling. Content. Introduction. How does landfill work? Why are landfill sites so harmful to the environment? Problems occurs due to landfills, types of landfills, effects of landfills. Introduction. Landfill is the oldest and most common form of waste disposal, although the systematic burial of waste with daily intermediate and final covers only began in 1940s. In the past, refuse was simply left in kilns or thrown into pits. How does landfill work? A landfill site is a location that has been prepared for the purpose of dumping waste, rubbish. Before the landfill is used to store waste, diggers are used to give it a suitable shape and it is covered with the artificial water resistant coating to prevent the rubbish from contaminating the soil. The law states that landfill sites must be located away from the inhabited areas as well as areas used for farming or drinking water. Why are landfill sites so harmful to the environment? Burying waste in the ground has an impact on our environment even when done in a controlled manner. Main problems that occurs from landfill. Landfill are one of the causes of climatic change. They can cause fires or explosions. They can contaminate soil and water. Landfills alter the fauna. Landfills reduce the value of the surrounding areas. Landfill are one of the causes of climate change. Landfill sites are partially responsible for global warming as they generate and release biogas into the atmosphere. Biogas is a mixture formed primarily of methane gas CH4 and carbon dioxide CO2, two of gases that causes climate change and an increase in its planet's temperature. According to ISWA report, if the current situation continues and we do not take action, landfill sites will account for 10% of greenhouse gas emission by 2025. They can cause fires or explosions. Sometimes methane produced by the waste from landfill sites can cause explosions and fires. This downside is more common than meets the eye because the fires that occur are not regular fires with flames, but fires that occur inside the landfill. Dioxin emission from these spontaneous uncontrolled fires are also very harmful to the environment, not to mention the damaging effects that they have on aquifers whose waterproofing membranes are affected by the fires. They can contaminate soil and water. Landfill sites are often responsible for contamination of soil and groundwater, as the contaminating materials such as heavy metal like lead and mercury that the stored waste may contain can spread to the soil and water near the plant. Landfill sites alter the fauna. Landfill sites have particularly negative effect on bird migration. Some birds feed from landfill site, inevitably ingesting plastic, aluminiums, gypsum, and other metals that are common among waste, which can even prove fatal. Landfill reduce the value of surrounding areas. The bad smells that emanate from the landfill site cannot be effectively controlled and almost inevitably reach nearby populations. Property prices are reduced in areas located near these waste stores, which further perpetuates the devaluation of disadvantaged areas. Types of landfills. Municipal solid waste landfills, commonly called as MSW, industrial waste landfill, hazardous waste landfill. Municipal solid waste landfill. A municipal solid waste landfill mainly receives household trash and other types of waste as long as they are not hazardous. Examples of non-hazardous wastes are commercial solid waste, non-hazardous sludge, and industrial non-hazardous waste. Industrial waste landfill. An industrial waste landfill differs from one that accepts only municipal solid waste. Industrial waste landfills only accepts industrial and commercial solid waste and conditionally ignore generator wastes. An industrial waste landfill can also receive inherent materials like rocks and soil from the excavation sites, glass, ash, clay, furnace, slag, and plastics. Hazardous landfill. This landfill is for solid hazardous waste. Liquid hazardous waste do not belong in a standard landfill because of the high contamination risks. Instead, we dump harmful solid waste into this specific type of landfill and cover them up to prevent environmental pollution. Effects of landfills. Landfills have the potential to cause a number of issues. Infrastructure disruption, such as damage to access road by heavy vehicles, may occur. Pollution of local roads and water courses from wheels on the vehicles when they leave the landfill can be significant and can be migrated to wheel washing systems. Pollution of the local environment, such as contamination of groundwater or aquifers or soil contamination, may occur as well. I hope you could understand something about environmental effects of landfill. Thank you.